Let's brand endorser Barbie Forteza! Oh my goodness, Barbie, hi! Lovely to meet you.
I love your outfit!
Girl, we match, guys. Hindi namin pinag-usapan.
Yes, we do!
Barbie,
Indeed.
we have a couch over here, Barbie. We wanna get
Boss. Hello,
comfortable with you.
Okay, sitting down. Hi!
Barbie, I bet a lot of people would love to say hi to you. So, wanna greet everyone first here at BeautyCon?
Of course! Hello po! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat! Ayan na naman, nakikita mo ba? Ayan ang
Meron
aking mga
kang face
kaibigan
doon.
from Barbie Natics.
I
Diba?
love
Hello po!
that.
Magandang hapon! Happy shopping! Sana po lahat kayo ay nag-e-enjoy.
O, diba? Parang bahay lang. Well, you're at home.
Mag-enjoy lang kayo dyan!
Alright, habang nagchichika kami dito, guys.
Yes.
Because right now, I wanna take my time. Gusto kitang mas makilala because, Barbie, we see you everywhere. Tagal-tagal na. And finally, I'm sharing a couch with you. I will take this time to ask, what does it feel like being part of the Close Up family? And of course, to be representing Close Up right now.
I think it comes in a full circle. Kasi kami talaga ng family ko, taga Binyan, Laguna pa lang kami. Close-up consumer na talaga kami. Yun talaga yung binibili namin. Kasi masarap. Siyempre ako, ever since bata ako, ang hanap talaga namin yung masarap na toothpaste, diba? So, tumatagal ako mag-toothbrush just because I love the taste. And now, to represent the brand, for the brand to entrust me to represent their brand. I'm so grateful and I'm so happy to be here. I can't wait to talk more about Close Up White now.
Yes, for sure.
Kaya I'm so happy to be here. Hello everyone.
Alam mo, tama yung sinabi mo sa taste deck. Is that right? The experience talaga.
Oo, yung
Akala mo.
Tsaka ako kasi every morning talaga, nagtutoothbrush ako agad kasi yun yung
Take
pampagising
notes.
ko.
Hindi lang pang pagising, kaya ka din naman very fresh and blooming
Yes,
every
very
time.
refreshing. Yung parang I'm about to start my day and it's already good.
Right! Diba? And speaking of smiles, ever since you entered the stage, all of the people right here instantly you grabbed all of the people's attention. Syempre, I bet all of our Gen Z friends, lalong-lalo na, can relate that this is the era of expressing yourself, expressing
That
confidence.
is true.
Diba, Barbie? I'm sure with you and all the cameras watching you, parang beauty nowadays, parang hindi lang all about the dress that you wear. It's not just the makeup, but feeling great from within.
Yes.
So lalong-lalo na, we're talking about smiles. Barbie, sino bang nagpapasmile sa'yo recently? Meron ba?
Marami. Iko-close up bigla.
Bigla may, sino bang papasmile sa'yo?
Naku, sa totoo lang, I am very happy to say na marami pong nagpapangiti sa akin ngayon. Number one being my work, you know, having done this job for 16 years and I'm still here. I'm so happy and grateful. Maraming salamat. Dumadami aking mga kaibigan sa Barbie Natics as year goes by. Kaya talagang sobrang saya ko, ang pamilya ko, ang mga kaibigan ko, and most especially myself, of course. Ang laking inspirasyon ang naibibigay sa akin ng sarili ko ever since the beginning of this year, most especially. Kasi parang ang daming firsts. There were a lot of firsts. And so parang every time na na-overwhelm ako sa isang experience, parang I always catch myself smiling talaga, na parang hindi ko talaga makontrol, na ang saya-saya ko, grabe yung ngiti ko. Oh yeah, it really radiates talaga. So, ang daming reasons, ang daming mga tao na nagpapangiti sa akin ngayon.
Kayo pala yun eh. Kayo talaga. Sila pala yun. But you know what, Barbie? Because itong napakaraming tao na to look up to you, yeah, for sure. Kasi not only because nasa stage tayo, but syempre because you're also oozing with confidence. And alam mo, in this era of social media, a lot of people, lalo na the young ladies, when they smile, mga closed lips yung smile, parang
mga
ganyan.
fears. Yan,
mga fears.
Yes, mga ganun lang.
Yes. Ganyan. But you know, some are fierce, but the sad part is sometimes some people smile closed lips because they're ashamed to show their yellow teeth. So, I want siguro to hear, Barbie, words from you that can help them overcome this fear of being shy, para mas maging confident sila to smile with their teeth showing. What can you say about that? Mga advice to these young girls?
Sa totoo lang po, having yellow and dull teeth is very normal.
Normalize
Oo,
it.
katulad ko ngayon. Honestly, kakakape ko lang, guys. Pero alam nyo, lahat po yan, kayo lang ang nakakapansin. 'Di ba? Kasi parang, para sa akin, when you meet a person, hindi naman sasabihin, ay, madilaw yung ngipin yan, ay, hindi ganito, ganyan. Siyempre, ang mapapansin, ay, masarap siyang kausap, ay, maganda yung ngiti niya, ay, masaya siyang kasama, ay,
It's
maganda
the
yung aura
attitude.
niya. It's really the personality, the character that you have.
I love
Yes,
that.
and now, meron na tayong product na makakatulong sa atin to give us a more confident and brighter smile every day, instantly.
Right here, right now. Ang ganda nung sinabi mo, no? Sometimes there are things na tayo lang talaga nakaka-notice.
Oo.
But of course, syempre, effortan din natin. If we
Yes.
feel siguro hindi tayo as confident, effortan din natin. Let's do our daily brushing of teeth like
Yes, so,
hygiene.
I mean, wala namang masama kung meron tayong gustong i-improve sa ating mga sarili, pero let's not be too hard on ourselves.
So guys,
Yes, start the
Oo.
day positively.
that is a key takeaway from Miss Barbie. Start from within and start at the start of the day. Diba? So Barbie, at the start of the day, diba, yung mga unang ginagawa natin, get ready, prepare ourselves. It's in those little things that we actually build our confidence. And folks, right now, we want to invite someone who can tell us about the magic of Close Up Right Now. Para madagdagan naman kami ni Barbie here on stage.
Oh, yes.
Diba? Dagdagan natin ang kasama. Everybody to shed some more light behind the sparkle and to show us the power of Close Up Instant Whitening. Let's get to the stage. Someone who knows Close Up White Now inside out. Ladies and gents, here is Close Up's Research and Development Lead for Oral Care, Miss Gladys Marquez. So Barbie, let's salubong Miss Gladys over here. Hi, Miss Gladys. Nice
Hello
to see you.
po. Hello, kamusta po? Grabe naman! Nakakaano naman to? Nakaka-starstruck naman yung Unilever
Diba?
tayo.
Trusted talaga.
Hello po, dito po kayo.
And we also have, hi, our friend over here.
Hello po.
Lab Assistant Joey. And as mentioned, I'm Gladys from the Unilever's Product Development Team. So, Barbie, I hope you're excited about our product.
I am very excited.
Yes.
Very intrigued, actually.
Yes, that's great because I have a mini experiment for you.
Ooh, I
and I'll
love
ask
it.
your participation for this. Alright, so let me just talk about our product a little bit more before we dive into this experiment. Excited na ba kayo? Great! So we mentioned that Close-Up has this innovation that is a game changer for your oral care routine, and that is the new Close-Up White Now. Barbie, you mentioned earlier parang you had coffee today.
Yes, yes.
Do you
At
love
saka
coffee?
kumain po ako ng afritada kanina, so medyo masarsa.
Ganon. Lahat na ng colored food.
Oo, mahilig ako sa ganyan. Diyos ko, Filipino food, alam natin yan, makukulay, di ba, masarsa. Siyempre, ang kape, lagi yung kasama sa ating morning routine. Yes, oo.
So with those colored food, no, agitada, coffee, tea, wine, soft drink, soy sauce, those are foods and drinks that we consume minsan on a daily basis.
Yes.
And these colored food and drink, they can sometimes take a toll on the brightness of our smiles, and they can discolor or make our teeth more yellow, Barbie.
Over time.
Yes, over
Correct.
time. So that's why we should be using a good product that can help whiten our teeth.
Yes, para hindi natin kailangan iwasan yung masasarap na pagkain,
Tama,
di ba?
tama ka dyan.
Masaya pa rin.
Yeah. So for that, we were inspired by this problem, and that's how we formulated Close-Up White Now, Barbie. Did you know that Close-Up White Now can deliver up to 4 times whitening power? 4 times whitening power.
Instantly.
Yes. So we have a few variants here. I'll talk to you more about them. That 4 times whitening power is scientifically tested, guys. So for our Detox Cleanse variant, we tested that versus another product in a lab test. And for our Purple Serum toothpaste, we tested it in a clinical test versus a regular toothpaste. So Barbie, let me tell you more about our products, ha?
Sure.
So the Detox Cleanse variant comes in a teal, stylish tube, and meron niyang 2 key ingredients, Barbie. So our first ingredient is kaolin clay. Kaolin clay, para siya yung mga minamud mask, if you're familiar, that
So
absorb.
medyo thick yung kanyang
Yes.
consistency.
Yes.
So, saan ginagawa po niya?
So the kaolin clay, it helps buff away the surface stains.
Oh, okay, okay,
And
okay,
it
okay.
absorbs the impurities from your teeth. So, nalilift up niya yung surface stains. And then, you also have the micro brighteners.
Micro brain.
Micro brighteners, parang siyang liha, no? It softly scrubs away the buildup on your teeth.
Right, okay.
So, these two
Para
ingredients...
siyang pamper talaga para sa ngipin mo, ganyan.
It's like a spa day for your teeth.
Okay,
So, the
I got it.
combination of these two ingredients, they allow us deep cleansing, no? Pang deep cleansing tong product na to.
Pero you can use it daily.
Yes, it's very safe for the teeth, it's
Okay.
safe for the enamel.
So gentle pa rin siya sa teeth,
Yes,
kahit deep
exactly.
cleansing siya.
Yes, still gently cleaning, gentle deep cleaning for your teeth. So this one, no, it gives you up to 4 times whitening power with regular use. And it's really impressive. It's scientifically tested through our lab test. So wala ka talagang duda for this one. On the other hand,
Okay,
no, if
uusod
you're-
ako, no? Paharang ako eh. Okay.
On
the
that
other hand-
further corner.
Sorry po, naririnig niyo po ba kami ng maayos?
Yes, tinig naman.
Okay, okay.
Alright.
Kung may tanong po kayo, okay lang po. Live po to. Pwede po kayong magtanong.
Yes.
Taas yung kamay.
On the other hand, Barbie, we have the purple serum toothpaste here. Ito naman, meron siyang kakaibang purple serum
Ay,
technology.
Ang pretty
diba?
naman ito. Nakakakla.
Bagay sa dress. In
Purple
theme.
Serum Technology. Ano po ang ginagawa ng Purple Serum Technology?
Yes, so the purple serum technology, it color corrects the yellow tones in your teeth.
Ooh.
Kung familiar ka sa color correcting makeup
Yes.
or sa purple shampoo, it's like that. No, that allows our product to instantly whiten your teeth from the first brush. Yes, instantly whiter from the first brush. But of course, with regular use and subject to brushing
It will
habits,
continue to be white
it will
talaga.
continue to be
Yes,
white as
yes.
long as you use it regularly.
Yeah.
Pero if nagmamadali ka, you wanna make sure that your teeth gets that extra oomph, you can use the instant whitening power of the purple serum toothpaste.
Wow.
Alright. So, siguro Barbie, kung di ka naniniwala, no? Kasi you've seen purple color corrector makeup
Yeah,
or
tsaka
purple
parang kasi
shampoo.
bago siya sa pandinig natin eh, di ba?
Oh,
Yung
yes.
Purple Serum Technology. Kasi honestly, ang serum akala ko dati pang mukha lang.
Oo, di
Tama?
ba? Pero
Oo.
ngayon,
Pa sa skin, ganyan.
Yes,
So
may
parang
color
ito
corrector.
ba ang pinakaunang serum gel toothpaste?
Yes, exactly right. This is the
Wow.
first ever serum gel toothpaste. Rightly so, coming from the brand that first made gel toothpastes. It's actually Close Up. So the first
Right.
serum toothpaste also from Close Up.
Actually, ang favorite ko talaga yung red.
I love that too. I love that too. But maybe if you want to try something new, this is it, right?
Oh,
So
okay.
Barbie, if you will know, we have an experiment here to show you how
Okay.
that
Ooh,
purple
demo.
serum technology.
Paano natin gagawin? Saan natin gagawin
Alright.
to?
Actually, Barbie, kailangan ko ng materials eh. Pwede ko
Ano
mahiramin yung kwintas mo? Pwede ba yung necklace mo?
Pearls,
Paano ba
yung necklace ni Barbie, gagamitin natin? Okay na.
Okay
What?
ba?
On the spot, on the spot pala.
Okay, sige, sige.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
okay.
Wow.
Sure, sure, sure.
Guys, nakakahanapan natin si
Closely,
Barbie.
ha?
Hindi naman to regalo ng special someone.
Hindi,
Pwede
kaya ko
gamitin.
bumili nito.
Yes, she can.
Manood kayo para sulit naman.
Sulit
Please
naman.
na.
Oh my
Watch
gosh.
closely.
Guys,
Okay.
bring out your phones.
Okay, kasi nga naman
Wow.
mukha siyang ngipin eh.
Oh,
diba?
yeah.
To those of you who didn't see that, gagamitin daw po, pumayag si Barbie Fortesa gamitin ang pearl necklace for this experiment.
Okay, sige. So, anong gagawin natin dito?
So Barbie, you can see the pearls, no? They actually look like our teeth and they
Yes.
behave like our teeth. They're like the enamel or surface.
Right.
So we're using this as an example kasi hindi pwedeng ngipin ko yung gamitin natin.
Tama naman. Oo.
So with these pearls, guys, you can see it's pristine. Let's assume, no? Let's think that's what my teeth look like before getting stained. Now, let's stain it. We have a staining solution here.
Ano po
brown
yung staining
liquid.
solution na ito?
Yes, yan ay pinaghalo-halo namin kape.
Ito daw yung coffee mo kaninang morning.
Okay. Meron din ditong tsaa, tea,
Ooh.
black
Ito ay coffee, ito ay tea.
and then meron tayong wine. So pinaghalo-halo namin yan para matapon
Tinikman! Okay.
Wait lang.
Okay, ready?
Dami na yung coffee today. Marami na.
Mamaya.
Okay, sorry. Ibang experiment pala yun.
Pang kitchen yan, pang
Okay,
kitchen.
sige. So, saan natin i-dip?
Yes, so sa pinaghalo-halo nating stain, Barbie, kindly dip half of the necklace lang. Kalahati lang.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Like this.
Yes, kalahati
Tama?
lang.
Okay.
We're gonna dip it.
Para ma-stain natin yung necklace.
Okay.
Bilis tayo na 1, 2, 3, guys.
Let's go.
2, 3.
Alright, Barbie, you can lift it up now.
Oh, it's so
Okay,
stained.
so consumption of staining food and drink, your teeth can get really stained over time. Pero Barbie, dahil medyo instant yung ginawa natin, no? Parang medyo basa pa siya.
Oo nga
I'll
eh.
take that from you, Barbie, no?
Okay.
Yan. Isasampay muna natin siya sa gilid.
Isasampay.
Kasi tama,
Sasampay
after we
muna
eat,
natin.
usually hindi naman agad tayo nagtutoothbrush. So, ganyan
Yes.
din.
So, we will let that sit for a while and the stain will set, alright? Pero dahil, syempre, inabangan namin to, nag-prepare kami, meron na
okay.
kaming necklace dito na stinain na namin nung isang linggo pa. Diba? Ang
Okay.
tagal. So, that's what it
Dumidikit
looks
talaga
like.
eh, no?
Yes, so
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
what
yeah.
it looks like when the stain sets on your teeth over
Right.
time. So, this is where Close-Up White now comes to the rescue because you need to turn this half to something like this.
Kailangan na
Yes.
ibalik.
Kailangan
So, may
na ibalik.
babalik pa?
We'll see, Barbie. So, what we will do is we will already treat the stained necklace part
Right.
sa solution ng Close-Up White now. So, nakikita nyo, it's very purple. Ganun din yung aming product. We will dip
Okay.
it in there.
This is our close-up white now solution,
This is a
guys.
Close-Up White now solution, no? Think of it as you brushing your teeth. This is like you brushing your teeth. So, dahil, syempre, pag nagtututbrush ka, hindi naman siya mabilisan lang,
Yes,
no?
yes,
We'll
yes.
let it stay there for a while. My assistant will hold this. In the meantime, while Close-Up White now is working on the stains, Barbie, familiar ka ba sa color wheel?
Yes!
Sigurado ka, ito quiz kita, ha?
Hindi masyado. Okay, game.
May color
I'll
wheel
try
na dala si
that.
Doc. Okay.
Yes. So as you guys know, the color theory has a concept of complementary colors.
Right.
Yung mga nakinig sa grade 5
Okay,
science
ba
lesson
tayo?
nyo,
Kaya
okay pa?
nakakaano
Alala niyo pa?
Okay.
Crashing on. Hi, nanay. Hello. Nakikita niyo po ba dyan?
Yes.
Okay po. Okay, sige.
So, complementary colors, they're the colors sitting on the opposite sides o magkabilang side ng color wheel. So sila, pag pinagsama, nagka-cancel out sila. So now, Barbie, I'll ask you, do you know what is the complementary color of red?
Green.
Green kaya?
Wow! Good job! Pasado na sa art class.
Okay,
One
okay,
point,
very
one
good
point.
sa easy round.
Nakakakapa pala siya, no? Bakit ako kinakabahan?
Kinuhaan ka na nga ng pearls, pinapahulaan ka pa.
Okay.
Okay, next round.
So again,
One point,
hirapan
one
natin
point.
ang
ng konti.
complementary color ng red ay
Green.
green. Okay, right.
Pahirapan natin si Barbie ng konti. How
Nay,
about,
tulungan mo ako, Nay. Okay.
how about
okay.
blue? What's the complementary color of blue? Does anyone know? Blue?
Anyone know?
Orange? Orange? Orange daw.
Let's see. It is orange.
Orange! Good job, guys! Wow! Oh my goodness!
Alright,
I
alright.
trust you with
Back
my
to
life.
school!
Alright.
Okay.
Last na, Barbie. Let's see kung perfect scorer ka today, How about yellow?
2
What do you
points na
think?
tayo for
2
the
points
third.
na for the third
Yellow?
Playing for the third.
Yan, alam ko
Yellow.
yan. Basic yan. Purple.
Purple or violet?
And ding, 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 ding! 3 Coca Leaf points for this color of fortune game. Round of applause, guys! Wow.
Thank you for
Actually,
helping.
collaborative kasi tumulong din sila.
Yes, thank
Diba?
you so much. Thank you.
Alright. Okay, now that we've had enough time na i-toothbrush na natin yung pearl
Yes.
necklace, no? I will lift it up and Barbie, can
Okay.
you help me?
Ooh.
Siyempre, pag nag-toothbrush, kailangan natin imumog. Kailangan
Of course.
natin i-rinse.
Kailangan natin i-rinse.
So Barbie, may I ask for your help to hold
Ako
the
ang
necklace?
gagawa.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Bubumugan natin yung pearls, please dip it into the water.
Oh, sana so baka magamit pa ulit ni Barbie, no? Kapag
Yes,
hinugasan.
sana.
Sana.
Hopefully, yes, dip it here.
Okay, this is the rinsing part of your routine.
Ang satisfying.
Oh,
Alam niyo,
wow.
parang ganito yung mga napapanood ko sa TikTok. Hindi ba magpatulog na tayo? Yung mga
Yeah.
parang satisfying na nakikita natin mga videos na naiinis.
Yes. It's
I love
exactly
it.
what it looks
Can you
like.
guys see? From there, from back there?
Yeah, we're flashing it
Alright,
on
okay.
screen.
Go up and down konti, up and down
Okay.
konti. Yan,
Oh
para ma-wash
my
siya.
gosh.
Maybe a
Okay.
little bit more. Kasi makapit talaga yung purple dyes
you guys see?
natin.
And take note, guys, dip lang to hindi pa namin siya binabrush or pinupunasan.
Ayan.
So
Oh my
even,
gosh.
so satisfying.
Ang aliw!
Right.
Ganun pala,
Ayan.
no?
Oh my gosh. Now,
Oh my, parang mas white na siya dito. Ba't ganon?
Ayan.
Parang mas pumuti siya.
Ganun ba yun, Miss Gladys?
Tama ba?
Mas naging white?
yes, that's how it works. Look at the pearls now. they have come back to their natural bright white color with the help of Close-Up White Now.
Oh my
Naniniwala ka na ba, Barbie, that this product
So
works?
cool! Saka live namin ginawa,
Live
guys.
to, guys.
ah.
Walang
And
kaya.
Hindi
Live
kami
to.
parang magic dito sa stage.
Totoo, and to all our friends, kapag
What do you
malayo
want?
man kayo, we are giving you a close-up of our stage experiment if you look at the screens on the sides.
Yes.
Diba? Parang hindi siya nadumhan in the first place.
Yes.
Exactly.
Diba?
Parang mas
I
luminous nga
love
talaga
it.
siya, no?
Yes. We hope this experiment helps show you that Close-Up White Now not only removes surface stains, but also color corrects the yellow tones in your teeth.
Right.
So Barbie, confident ka na ba when we say this product, it really instantly whitens your teeth from the first brush?
Actually, Miss Gladys, kanina pa naman ako confident. Gusto ko lang din para dun sa mga taong nandito na patunayan kung gaano ka-effective instantly ang Close-Up White Now.
Naniniwala na ba
Iba
kayo,
kapag
guys?
sinabi mo
Yes?
lang, iba pag chinika mo lang, iba pag pinakita mo.
That's
Diba?
right. Yeah. Thank you so much, Barbie, for your help. And thank you guys for listening. We
Thank
hope
you
you
so
are as
much,
excited as
Miss
us about Close-Up White Now.
And
Thank you, Barbie.
of course, Miss Gladys and Barbie, we also want to say thank you guys for helping us make this experiment so successful. I just have one question. Naniniwala na ba kayo sa power ng Close-Up White Now? That being said, everybody, thank you so much. Barbie, Miss Gladys, we hope to see you around. This has been Steffi Lucero for Close Up. Let's